When we learned that our brother had disappeared, so we converged at the home 5 days later to find out what we saw, and we started search for him. And 3 weeks later, it is the time we learned that she had even invited some secret visitors who were accommodated nearby as secret visitors, and then because the reason why they could not be accepted into the home is because they feared that he did not want those visitors, so they were accommodated elsewhere. So on the day he disappeared, the day he is reported to have gone to Kamusura and was being expected to have early in the evening, those visitors were accommodated here from noon of that same day and left on the following morning, Thursday the following morning. So surely, if between Monday and Tuesday, the whole of Monday and Tuesday, whole of Tuesday, they could not come to the home because this man was around, why bring them at noon on Wednesday?
Tulistukia tukitu 2012, 26 tukaambiwa amepotea. Sasa kuanzia siku hiyo mpaka leo tumeona tumepata hapo kwa siku ya leo. Kitu ningesema tu kwa serikali, tunataka serikali ichukue mkondo wao fully, wasichukue tena 12 years vile tulitafuta 12 years. I was one of them mwenye tulitafuta sana for those whole years tulikuwa natafuta. Ndio hata saa hii watu hata machozi naweza toka kwangu sababu ya yeye. Tulipata challenges mingi sana mpaka sasa tuli keep up. Sauri hatu uko na namna. Mungu peke yake amefanya kazi yake hapo.
We have done the exemption, and we found some bones believed to be human, or rather some remains of a person, and now we are going for the process to take those remains and go and do further investigation, and we shall give out the outcome as soon as the process is done.